Hello, Studio Squad. This is the unboxing of the Movo VXR300 HD Professional Condenser XY Stereo Video Microphone for DSLR video cameras. That noise that you hear in the background is the air conditioning, and I'm not going to temporarily turn it off for this video. I'm just going to keep it on because it's warm outside and I appreciate the air conditioning. Hi, welcome to Kiata Studio. If you haven't subscribed to Kiata Studio on YouTube yet, make sure as you do, just click the subscribe button. On today's video, I'm going to be opening a new box of equipment for my studio. I don't even know what that was about. What was that? What did I do? I'm gonna have to rewind it. I think I did something like this. I don't know, I'm just excited. I'm excited about this purchase because it's a new microphone. On this video, I'm going to be unboxing this. I accidentally dropped my box before I recorded this video, so I apologize for the crushed box. Included in this box are the condenser microphone shock mount, dead kitten windscreen, spare rubber bands, a bag, the instruction manual, and a small black cloth. This box is packaged well. Everything fits in here nice and tight. Also, it did not get damaged as a result of me dropping my box by a mistake. Here are the extra rubber bands. This is the dead kitchen windscreen. The small black cloth. This is the black bag that has the microphone inside of it. The microphone out of its bag was definitely a challenge. This microphone is compact and designed with rugged reinforced ABS construction. These buttons are for the on and off power button, the 2-step high pass filter, and also to adjust the sound. Here is the shock mount. this microphone is really easy to attach to my professional DSLR camera. I just put it up here and then I screw it on with this, tighten it up, and take the cord and attach the cord into the port on the side, and it's all done as far as how to install it. This microphone needs AAA batteries.
What?
And I don't have any AAA batteries right now. I'm not going outside in that heat and humidity just for a small pack of AAA batteries. I'm gonna stay right here in my cool, air-conditioned studio. So that means that I'm going to do another video on this microphone. Yeah! It will be a review video of the microphone so that you can get a sample of what it sounds like. Yeah! Make sure you watch my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like for me to post more unboxing or vlog videos, make sure that you like this video, and I'll make sure I post another one really soon. Please subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you can know next time that I post a new video.